the storms raging high, darkness around them had troubled their minds. Fear gripped their hearts, and they thought they would die, but they failed to remember that the Master was nigh. He spoke the word, and the winds all stood still. Even the waters, they obeyed his will. He calmed their storms, just like he will mine. If I just remember that it lives deep inside. So why should I worry? Why should I fear when the very same Jesus, he stays always near. He lives in my heart, and he hears when I cry. I'll call on his name till the storm passes by. We read in the Bible how he walked with them, brought light to the darkness when the way grew so dim. How great it would be to have his steps lead in mine, and to walk with the Master all of the time. And when trials come and death is so nigh, I'll just search for the Master. He'll be there on time. And when I'm in trouble,